Okay, good morning, class. So today we're looking at the cycle test you guys have just written. It is the cycle test of our school. At this point, you also got your papers back, okay? So we're just going to do the memo. The memo and the question paper can be found in the description box below. Okay. So let's go. The first question says calculate and write the intermediate steps. So where do we start? According to board mass, we have to do multiplication first. Not so. So it's going to be 45 minus 15 times 2 is 30. 50 minus 45 minus 30 is 15. Question 1.2. What needs to be done first here? The brackets. So it's going to be 3 multiplied by 18 minus 2 is 6. 3 multiplied by 6 is 18. 1.3. Here we have brackets, division. So what must be done first? The bracket. But inside that bracket we got multiplication first. So multiplication needs to be done first. So 5 multiplied by 4 is 20 plus 1 divided by 7. Note that I haven't dropped the bracket yet. I only dropped the bracket once, is one term inside the bracket. So 20 plus 1 is 21 divided by 7. 21 divided by 7 of course is 3. Got the next question. 1.4. And this was for 3 marks. What needs to be done first? The most inner bracket. So it's 9 minus 20 minus 4. What's 6 plus 2? 8. So we're now going to do the brackets now again. What's 20 minus 4? 16. 16 minus 8? 8. So it's 9 minus 8, which is 1. $1.5. What needs to be done first here? According to board mass, division and multiplication can be done. Né? So 6 multiplied by 20 is 120 minus 7 divided by 7 is 1. 6 times 7 is 42. So from left to right, we can do subtraction or addition, whatever comes first. 120 minus 1 is 119. 119 plus 42 is 160. Next, the first thing we need to do is sort out our exponent. So 5 squared 5 times 5, which is 25. 3 squared is 9 plus 5 into. Now many drop the bracket here at this point. Okay. So 1 squared is 1. 3 cubed is 3 times 3 is 9 times 3 is 27. Can you see that? So what's 27 plus 1? 28. So 5 times 28. According to board mass, multiplication first. So 28 multiplied by 5 is 40. It's 140. Is that correct? So 25 minus 9, 16. And 16 plus 140 is 156. Alright. Was there any problems with question 1? Or something that I haven't done with you yet? Huh? No. Let's now go to question 2. In question 2 we are told, from the list of numbers below, choose a number that. So only from this list, not the numbers that you want to add to the list or anything, only from the list. The number that's a multiple of 5 and 6. So what's the multiples of 5? 5, 10, 15, 20 and so on. So 120, 110 are multiples of 5. Multiples of 6 is 6, 12, 18 and so on. So it's going to be 18 and 120. So is a multiple of 5 and 6. So it has to serve both conditions or satisfy both conditions. So this answer is of course 120. A prime number. The only prime number here is 19. The factors of 32. Factors of 32 is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Which one of it is there? 4. Arrange the given numbers in ascending order. What is ascending? Smallest to biggest. What's the smallest number here? 4. Followed by 18. Followed by 19. Then 52. Then 77. Then 110. Then 120. Okay. Determine the sum of the numbers above. People, what does the sum mean? We must add them. There. So in other words, you're going to say 4 plus 18 plus 19 plus 52 plus 77, 110, 120. We add this up, you get the answer of 400. So that answer is 400. Okay. Let's do the next one. 2.1. So we got 28,707 must be divided by 3. One of two ways I can do it. Either long division or short division. Okay. Let's do long division. So 3 goes into 28 how many times? 5. 5 times 3 is 18. 9 times. 9 times 3 is 27. Subtract I get 1. Carry down the 7. 3 goes into 17 how many times? 5 times. 5 times 3 is 15. Minus we get 2. Carry down 0. 3 going to 20 how many times?
6 times.
6. 6 times 3? 18. Minus you get 2. Bring down the 7. 3 going to 27 how many times? 9. 9 times 3? 27. No remainder. No remainder. Okay. Let's go to the next one. So here's a multiplication. So it's 5,076 multiplied by 27. So 7 times 6 is 42. 7 by 7 is 49 plus 4 is 53. Not so. 7 by 0 is 0 plus 5 is 5. 7 by 5 is 35. Because I'm multiplying it by 10s, I put the 0 there. Correct? 2 multiplied by 6? 12. Carry 1. 2 multiplied by 7? 14 plus 1? 15. Carry 1. 2 times 0? Plus 1? 2 times 5? 10. Must add. 2 plus 0? 2. 5. 10. Carry 1. 7. 3. 1. So 137,052 is the solution we are looking for. 2.3. Here we are given a number sentence or an equation. Copy and complete the table using the rule. The square is equal to 3 multiplied by a triangle squared plus 2. So let's do with the first one. The first one, your triangle is 0. So your square, of course, is equal to 3 multiplied by 0 squared plus 2. What is 0 squared? Times 3? 0. Plus 2? Is 2. Not so. Let's look at the next one. So you got your triangle, and so your square is equal to 3 times, the triangle is now 2. So 2 squared plus 2. What is 2 squared? 4. So it's 3 by 4 plus 2. What's 3 times 4? So 12 plus 2? 4. You all agree with that? Look at the next one. Now you see here, your square is now 50. Not so? So 50 is equal to 3 by your triangle squared plus 2. So the idea is to solve the triangle here. Not so. So how do I get rid of this 2? Minus 2 on the side. Not so. So in other words, 50 minus 2 is 48. Is equal to 3 times the triangle squared. Now to get a triangle squared on its own, well, how do I get rid of this 3? Divided, yes. So 48 divided by 3? This was your inverse operation. So it's going to be 16. Now you ask yourself, okay, a number squared, a number times that same number is 16. What is that number? 4. Which makes a triangle. 2.4.1. We got 56, 66, 76. How do we move from one term to the next? Adding 10. Not so. So if I add 10 again, what do I get? It's going to be 86. And add 10 again? 96. Okay. Just look at 2.4.2. How do I get from 3 to 3 to 6? You add 3 and 3 gives you 6. 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 9, 24. 24 plus 15 is 39. So I'm looking for 39.
Yeah.
Yes.
For that, for 2.4.1, what are we supposed to do the next two terms? Because it says write the next term, not next term.
Now, so if you only wrote 86, I gave you the mark.
Oh,
Okay.
So 86 already provided.
86 wasn't provided.
no.
Those were the 3 terms that was provided. Okay. So if you left out that 96, it's, I gave you the mark, so you see the pattern. And the instruction is contrary to what you have given me. People express 6 and 2/3 as an improper fraction. Yes, Michael? Okay, then you just circle the question, that's it. I will give it to you. Did I miss it? Yeah. Oh, sorry. Which one is it?
2.5.1 and 2.5.2.
2.5.1.
That's the round.
Okay, thank you. So in question 2.5.1, you got given 3,673. The first one, you have to round this to the nearest 10, and then 1,000. Okay. So if we're looking at 10, that's a tens unit, not some tens digit. So that tens digit is dependent on the digit before that. Is this less than or equal to 5? Less than 5? Yes. So this number will remain the same. So that answer is simply 3,670. We're going to look at thousands now. That is a thousands digit, not so. But that is dependent on the 6. Is that 6 greater or equal to 5? Yes. So it's going to change that 3 to a 4. So that answer is 4,000. Right, let's look at 3.1. Express this as an improper fraction. So we multiply and we add. 6 multiplied by 3 is? Plus 2 is? 20/3. The next one. Express 13/3 as a mixed fraction. So we ask ourselves, how many times is 3 going to 13? 4 times, which is 12, so it's 4. And how much remaining? 1. So it's going to be 1/3. So it's 4 1/3. The next one they ask you to simplify. What do you notice? The denominators are the same. So we're going to just add the numerator. So 5 plus 3 is 8/6. So we ask ourselves, is the number that can go into 8 and into 6 without remainder? 2. 2 goes 4, 2 goes 3 times. So the answer is 4/3 or 1 1/3. Either or gets you the full mark there as well. Let's look at the next one. People, do we divide manually? No. So we must change that to multiplication, not so. So what do we have to do first? Change to improper fraction. So 4 times 1 is? 4 plus 3 is? 7/4. 7/4. Divided by 35 is 40/7. How many people went and they can simplify the 7s and the 4 going to 4 once? You can't, people, because this is division. You must change it to multiplication first. So 7/4 multiplied by 7/14. Now is there anything that can cancel here? No. And here? No. So 7 by 7 is 49, of course. And 4 times 40 is 160. So it's 49/160. Okay. 3.4. You have 50 pupils in grade 8. The pupils come to school as follows. 7 walk, 8 by bus, and 25 by car. What fraction of learners comes by car? So car is going to be 25 of the total, which is 50. So it's 25/50. 25 and 25 once and 50 twice. So it's simply a half. Okay? The next one, of course, what fraction of the learners who walk to school? What is the fraction of the learners who walk to school? So walk is 7 out of the total, which is 50. And that is in the simplest form. Then we are asked, what fraction is 6 hours of 7 days? Now, how many hours are there in a day? 30, 24. So it's 24 multiplied by 7. 7 multiplied by 4 is 28. 7 goes into 7, 7 multiplied by 2 is 14, plus 2 is 16. So in other words, it's going to be 6 hours of 7 days, which is 168. Now 6 goes into 6 once, and 6 goes into, it goes twice, carry 4. So the answer will be 1 over 28. Okay. Any confusion there? And of course the bonus question, we are told here, 4 cubed is equal to 4 times 4 times 4, which is 64. And so 4 cubed ends with a digit 4. What digit does 4 to the exponent 2004 end with? 6. Alright, 6 is correct. But how do you get 6? What you should have done was you had to go 4 to the 1 is equal to 4. Okay? 4 to the 2 gave us 16. 4 to the 3, 64. 4 to the 4, 1. But multiplies by 4, I'm going to get 16 carry 1, 22, 5, 6. 4 to the 5. Multiply this by 4, I'm going to get 24. It's 22. That's going to be 8, 10, 1024. But what do we notice? You got 4, your units digit is 4, 6. 4, 6. 4, the next one will be 6. Then 4, 6, and so on and so on and so on. So that means to say that the pattern repeats in twos. Every second one the pattern gets repeated. Not so. So if you look at this, that is the even number will be a 6, even number 6, even number 6, even number 6. Not so. So what do you notice here? Is that an even or an odd number? Even. So therefore, C. The answer is 6. Okay. And that's how we do it. Alright. If you have any problems, you can bring your paper to me now. Alright.